So next you can see reciprocity theorem. So what is reciprocity theorem? In a bilateral single source circuit, the ratio of the excitation to response is a constant. So what do you mean by excitation? It may be a voltage source or current source. Similarly, response also may be a voltage source or current source. Okay, so it should be constant while we exchange the excitation as well as the response. Okay, so what is excitation? It may be a voltage source or current source, as well as response also it may be voltage source or current source. Okay, and another one important thing, reciprocity theorem is applicable only for independent source, the circuit which does not have the dependent source. Okay, it can be applicable only for the independent sources. Okay, so the circuit should not have any dependent sources. If the circuit has dependent sources, you can't apply the reciprocity theorem. Can you understand? So we can see the problem. Prove reciprocity theorem for two-port network. So it is a two-port network. It is port 1 and port 2. Okay, here there is no voltage source or current source. So now we are assuming the voltage is connected to port 1 and current is connected to port 2. Okay, so we are short circuiting the port, voltage is connected to port 1 and short circuiting port 2. Here current is connected. Okay, so now it is first loop and it is second loop and it is third loop. Okay, this is third loop. So first write the mesh matrix equation. The first loop, what are the resistor? 5 ohm and 1. So R11 is 6 ohm resistor. Next R12 is the resistor which is common to first loop and second loop, that is 5. So here except this diagonal elements R11, R22, R33, remaining all other elements have the negative sign. Okay, so here minus 5 R12, then R13. What is the common element? 1. Okay, so here also minus. Next R21, second loop and first loop, the common element is 5. Okay, so here also minus 5. Next R22, so what are the resistor here? 5 ohm and 4 ohm, so 9 ohm resistor. Next R23. Okay, so what is the resistor common? 4. Okay, and next R31. So here what is the common resistor? 1. Okay, minus 5. Then R32. So what is the resistor? 4. So here you should put minus sign. And next R33. So what are the resistor? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, so except this diagonal elements, remaining all other elements you want to mark as negative sign. So the current source I1, I2, I3, and the voltage source in the first loop, the voltage source is V, second loop 0, third loop also 0. Okay, so now first you want to find del, because we need to find the value reciprocity port, you want to find the value of current. So if you find I2, then current I can be easily calculated. So in order to find I2, what is the formula? Del I2 by del. What is del value? The coefficients of the matrix value. That is 6 minus 5 minus 1, 5, 9 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4, 7. So after calculating you got 58. Then what is del I2? 6. So in the place of I2, that is the second row, second column, you want to substitute the equal to portion, that is B0, 0. Okay, so after substituting, you got so in the value எடுத்து find out பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ 0, 0 அந்த ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட் calculate பண்ண வேண்டாம். இப்போ செகண்ட் எலிமெண்ட் எடுக்கும்போது minus V. So leave this. So 7 5s are minus 35 minus 4. Okay, so the answer is 39 into V. So I2 is 39 into V by 58. Okay, so I2 value. Next we need to find ratio of excitation to response. So here we take excitation as voltage and response as current. So 50 that is V by I. Okay, so V இங்க இருக்கு, I கீழ கொண்டு வரும்போது 58 மேல போகும், 58 by 39. So it is the first value, ratio of excitation to response. Next, second, excitation in port 2, that is we are interchanging. Reciprocity theorem நாலே என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்ம current source voltage source இருக்குது அப்படியே interchange பண்ணுறோம். current இருக்க இடத்துல voltage, voltage இருக்க இடத்துல current மாற்றுறோம். ஸோ இங்கே voltage இருந்து அதை எடுத்து இந்த பக்கமும் இங்கே இருந்த current இந்த பக்கமும் interchange பண்ணுறோம். And now you want to find the value of mesh matrix. After finding mesh matrix you got so in the first loop how many resistors? 6. Okay, R12 common is 5, R13 is 1. Okay, then R21 is 5, then R22 is 9, R23 is 4, then R33 value is 3 4 7, and then or 3 2 value is, what is the value, second loop, or 3 2 is 4, and or 3 1 value is 1. So except this diagonal element, remaining all the elements are negative. And then I1 I2 I3. Okay, so here equal to sign. So in the first loop there is no voltage source, so 0. Second loop there is voltage source. Okay, so it is in the downward direction, but here it is in upward direction. So opposite sign la irukanaala we are marking here as minus v. Okay, minus v 0. Can you understand? So we need to find the value of I is minus I1. Because I is downward direction and I1 is upward direction, so opposite in direction nala minus I1. I is equal to minus I1. So first you want to find del. So del value already find pannirukku 58. Del I1 means in the first position you want to substitute the value 0 minus v 0. Okay, so after calculating you got minus 39v. So I1 is equal to minus 39V by 58. That is I is equal to 39V by 58. So ratio of excitation to response V by I. V by I ka value 58 by 39. So both the excitation to response is same. Positions change pannapuram ratio of the excitation to response is same. Hence the reciprocity theorem is verified. Okay, so interchange pannalum namakku kedaikra answer same ah irukum. Okay, then it is verified. So next we can see the next problem. Verify reciprocity theorem in the circuit and also calculate the transfer resistance. Okay, so it is the circuit. So what is transfer resistance? R is V by I want to calculate. So it is the circuit. Here there is current source, here there is voltage. Okay, so what is step 1? First step is you want to find the voltage. So voltage across 8 ohm resistor. Okay, what is 8 voltage across 8 ohm resistor? நமக்கு என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க கேட்டிருக்காங்க? voltage தானே கண்டுபிடிக்க கேட்டிருக்காங்க. வெரிஃபை ரெசிப்ரோசிட்டி தியரம். I கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு அடுத்தது R கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ V இஸ் 8 into I2. அப்போ நமக்கு I2 வேல்யூ வேணும். ஓகே, வோல்டேஜ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இந்த வோல்டேஜ் தான் நமக்கு தெரியாது, இதுதான் கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ 8 into I2. ஸோ in order to find voltage we need the value of I2. For finding I2, either you can apply the current division rule. So total current is 10 ampere and the opposite resistance 2 divided by 2 plus 8, or you can apply the loop equation. Loop equation apply பண்ணும்போது என்ன வரும்? Here I1 current is 10 ampere. Okay, and I2 current is 2 into I2 minus I1 plus 8 I2. So substitute the value of I1. After simplifying you got I2 as 2 ampere. Otherwise you can apply current division rule. Total current is 10 into so you want to find this current means opposite resistance value into 2 divided by 2 plus 8. Okay, so either you can apply in this form or you can apply loop equation. So now you got the current value. So what is voltage? 8 into 2 16 volt. Okay, and next step 2 you want to interchange the voltage and current. So current sources interchange here and voltage sources interchange here. So now you want to find voltage. So what is the voltage at this point? Voltage at this point is 2 into I1. Okay, 2 into I1. So in order to find the voltage 2 into I1 you need the current I1. So you can apply the total current is here, current division rule. Total current 10 into opposite resistance 8 divided by total resistance 2 plus 8. So what is the value? 8 ampere. So voltage 2 into I1, 2 into 8, that is 16 volt. Okay, so transfer resistance R is equal to V by I. So after calculating you got 1.6 ohm. Can you understand? So both the voltage values are equal. Here also voltage 16, here also voltage 16, and I total current is 10 ampere. So 16 by 10 is 1.65 ampere. Okay, so next another one problem. Calculate Ix and prove reciprocity theorem by interchanging the position of 10 volt and Ix. 10 volt Ix interchange பண்ணி find பண்ணணும். Okay,